Stretch Challenge. You can find the full schedule on my new free app, which is now available on the app stores. It's completely free to download with heaps of features to help you in your fitness journey. You can also upgrade to get access to premium features such as editing your schedule with custom schedules, custom music tracks, gym programs, and much more coming soon. We worked really hard to build this app based on your feedback in the comments, so I hope you like it. So please download my app, check it out, and thank you for supporting us. Now let's get into the workout. We've got 21 exercises across 3 sets in this upper body workout. 30 seconds of exercise with 10 to 30 seconds of rest in between. Stand upright and let's get started with arm circles.
Sometimes you gotta let them go.
Draw circles with your arms in a clockwise motion. Start with smaller circles, then slowly increase your range of motion.
Gotta let them go. Say it with me, everything is okay. Gotta let them go. I know it's hard, but you're better on your own. Yeah, on your own. Yeah. All these feelings kept, I wanna be over it, but something deep inside makes me feel alone again.
Now let's rotate in the opposite direction.
Push the pain aside, it's heavy when I'm sober, yeah. Turn my thoughts off, I'm over it. 2 shots too deep, I'm alone again. This ain't healthy, tears never help me, and that's why sometimes you gotta let them go. I know it's hard, but you're better on your own. I know the sky's got you feeling all alone. I know it's hard, but you gotta let them go. Say it with me, everything.
Great work, guys. Now get on your mat and get ready for tricep dips.
But you gotta let them go. I know it's hard, but you're better on your...
Lift your body up using your arms. Focus on using your triceps. Then lower down slowly and repeat.
A little piece of you broken and discarded. You need to be, you get space from all the darkness. Full all the weeds from the roots that you both started. And I know I'll be alright, but for right now I just need time and a little space. Need to get away to a better place, yeah. I gave my all.
Rest up, plank, shoulder tap is next, so get ready in a high plank position.
I'm letting go of you. Sometimes you got...
Place your feet a little wider and engage your core. Then tap your shoulder with one hand and then repeat on the other side. Keep your body and hips as stable as you can.
But you gotta let them go. Say it with me, everything is okay. But you gotta let them go. I know it's hard, but you're better on your own. Yeah, on your own.
Great work, guys. Plank to side plank is next. Get into a plank, then rotate to one side into a side plank. Back to a low plank again, then off to the other side.
I'll carry on my own and find out where I belong. And I just need to move on. I have hope, I'm open to a new place, a new road. I'm on my own, but I'm better off alone. Yeah, I'm better off.
Rest up and stay where you are. Lay flat for the next exercise. Just 3 more to go and that will be set 1.
With a new flame, it's not too late. I'll be yours.
Lay on your belly and lift your arms above your head and draw a semicircle, bringing it down to your hips. Then back up and repeat.
Perfect. But I know the hardest things are always worth it. Yeah, I'm all alone and still learning to let go. I'll carry on my own and find out where I belong.
Nicely done, guys. Now get ready to go in a reverse tabletop position for crab toe touches. Lift one leg up and touch your foot with your hand and then repeat on the other side.
Got demons in my head, they're better off dead. I'll find a way to kill this sorrow. Got demons in my head, I used to regret being a better place tomorrow. Got demons in my head, they're better off dead. I'll find a way to kill this sorrow. Got demons in my head, I used to regret being a
Rest up everyone, just one more to go and we'll have a longer rest. Corkscrews are next.
in the same place with a new flame. I will make change.
Get into a high plank and bring one leg under and over to the other side, and then repeat on the other leg.
Same place with a new flame. I will make change. I will make a new life.
Yeah, I'm all alone and still learning to let go. I'll carry on my own and find out where I belong. And I just need to move on.
And that's the first set. Pause the video if you need a longer rest.
I'm on my own, but I'm better off alone. Yeah, I'm better off alone. Hey, 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 hey. Whoa.
Let's start the second set with reverse plank, so get ready to go in a reverse tabletop position.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day.
Extend your legs into a reverse plank, engage your core, and don't let your butt droop down too much. Keep your body as straight as you can.
Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can down and spend up all on those. Let's forget that we broke. I wanna celebrate and have some fun.
Great job guys, side plank taps are next.
Things in life, so raise your toes for all the good times that we'll have.
Keep your body as straight as possible. Now twist to one side and tap the mat. And then back to the starting position and repeat. You can also do this on your knees if it's too difficult. It will get easier over time.
Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my head. Feeling so busy, don't want this to end. Want this to end. Live in the moment, I just wanna dance.
Rest up and we'll work the other side. We're almost halfway through the workout. Just 3 more exercises after this for the second set.
Take you out and live the dream.
Engage your core and twist. It can be a little challenging, but it'll get easier as you get stronger.
I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toes for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming.
Great work guys, stay put on your mat and lay on your belly. Rest up and Superman pull back is coming up.
Rich people dreaming.
Raise your arms and legs up and then pull your elbows down. And then back up and repeat.
I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming.
10 seconds rest once again and knee push-up is coming up.
Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming.
Get on your knees and do a push-up. If this is too easy, you can do a regular push-up. Make sure your elbows are not flare out to the side. Keep it at 45 degrees angle.
I've been pacing my paces, no kamikaze. I've been making my makers say what I'm offering. We've all had behaviors and they were troubling. Smoke way too much.
Final exercise of the set. Rest up and bear walk is next.
When I get down to the bottom, I need topping. Come here and ease my mind, be my clonopin. Let me chuck.
Get on all fours, then lift your knees off the mat. Now walk forward twice and backward twice. This can be a little confusing at first, but all you have to do is to take a small step with your opposite arm and leg.
Problem. make you feel like you on the cloud and you can't sit still when we on the floor and I'm on them force. When you use the force, there's no problem.
Alright, we're done with set 2. 20 seconds rest now, pause the video if you need a longer break.
Peace, fill me up like a Reese's. When I'm with you, I'm holier than Jesus. Religious freedom, paid leave to get on my knees and pray to you if you're cool with cosplaying teacher. I don't mean to come across facetious, but it's all a joke to me and it should be to all of these. Sometimes I think it's the only way.
Get ready into a high plank position. We got up and down planks to kick off the last set.
And I'll make you feel like you on the cloud.
Start in a high plank, then lower down into a low plank, then back up and repeat. Having a thick fitness mat really helps for plank-based exercises.
And I'll make you feel like you on the cloud and you can't sit still when we on the floor. When I'm on the force, when you use the force, there's no problem.
Lay flat on your belly and rest up and get ready for Superman that's coming up.
Still got some fears. Oh, you don't.
Lift your arms and legs up and then back down and repeat.
Always gets me down. I will carve it in and I'll make you feel like you on the cloud and you can't sit still when we on the floor. When I'm on the force, when you use the force, there's no problem. I will carve it in and I'll make you feel like you on the cloud and you can't sit still when we on the floor. When I'm on the force, when you use the force.
Great work guys, you're doing great for reaching this far. Not long to go. Plank walk is next. Take a step out with your leg and your arm, and then back in and repeat on the other side. Keep your core engaged. Stand upright and catch your breath real quick. Get ready for a walkout. Take your time if you need to here. Make sure you're not feeling too dizzy. Stand upright, then walk out into a plank, then walk back and repeat. Great work guys, rest up and we'll do some out poses next. Just 2 more exercises after this and that's the workout. Don't quit on us early. Lift your arms up doing these little poses. This may look easy but you'll burn. Short rest once again and we'll repeat in a downward motion. We're doing dome poses. Keep your arms as straight as you can and keep going. Alright, final exercise of the workout. Let's finish off with arm circles. Draw circles with your arms and we're almost done.
do it all.
And that's the workout. If you haven't checked it out yet, please download my new app as we work really hard on it for you, and I hope it helps you in your fitness journey. I hope you enjoyed today's workout, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!